Hello everyone, I'm Miss Lucy. Welcome to the Golden Cravers. In this video we will learn about memos. What is meant by memos? Memos is a short for memorandum. Memorandum is singular form of memoranda. It is a note sent from one person or office to another within an organization. Where can it be used? It is used to remind the employees of a department of various issues and tasks. It is used to take suggestions and idea of various employees on various issues. It is used to tell the staff various changes made or to be made within the organization. So now you know what is memo and what are its use. Now let's learn how it is written. Things to remember while drafting a memo. Sender's name. Receiver's name. Post designation of the receiver. Department of sender and receiver. Reference number. The words from and to. Attachments, if any. Names of the people receiving the copies of the memorandum. Now you might be thinking that the memos are same as letter, right? How is it different from a letter? Memos are brief business documents used internally in an organization, whereas letters are brief, print messages used externally to inform the public. Memos are shorter and letters can vary in length depending on the purpose, content. Memos are used in informal communication, whereas letters are used for formal communication. Memos can be distributed to multiple recipients, whereas letters are addressed to individual or organizations. Memos are used in informal feedback, whereas letters are used in formal business transactions. So now you know the important difference between the memos and letters. Let's see the format of memos. Let's see few examples of writing memos. Example 1. Example 2. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.